Oneplus Nord 2. So yeah, this one comes with a 6.43 inches of very cute 90Hz refresh rate fluid AMOLED display, which is a Full HD plus resolution display. And this mobile also comes with the latest processor from Dimensity, that is a MediaTek Dimensity 1200, which is a 6nm based processor, and it is also a octa-core processor capable of 5G. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in 8GB RAM 128 and also 8GB RAM 256, and also the top end variant, that is a 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variant with no expandable memory. So yeah, and when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this mobile is also, there are rumors like this mobile might come with a Hasselblad partnership, but keep those aside. And this mobile comes with a triple cameras, that is 50 megapixels of main camera, which is a wide angle lens, and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide angle camera, and also a 2 megapixels of depth camera, not macro, because it will use the 50 megapixels of main sensor as a macro camera. So this mobile, finally the OnePlus has changed the 16 megapixels of worst selfie camera from any of the mobiles. It's changed from 16 megapixels to 32 megapixels. So yeah, that's a plus point, and that's a good thing. And when we talk about the battery, this is confirmed that this mobile comes with a 4500 milliamp of battery, but the only thing that did not confirm it is that this battery will come with this 65 watts of fast charger, or it might come with a 30 watts of warp charge. So this is the thing which needs to confirm. It will confirm by the July 24th. So, and more importantly, this mobile comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, the rumor says like that, and it will also comes with a 3.5mm jack also. So yeah, we can expect the 3.5mm in this mobile. And this mobile, now when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 11 out of the box with Oxygen OS 11, upgradable to 12, 13 and everything, you know. And when we talk about the pricing, this is a major thing we need to know before buying. This mobile will comes with a price range of 31,000 and almost 32,000 rupees. There are just rumors. We can know about the actual price at the July 24th. So yeah, it's a rumored price. And when we talk about the color, this mobile will be available in two colors. Those are, I leave the links colors in the description box down below that like button. And by the way friends, if you are watching this video until now, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. Make me reach that 10k mark in subscribers. And there are also rumors like this mobile will come with a Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features, which are latest. And this mobile also comes with a charger cable and also a TPU case inside in the box with this mobile. So let's wait until the mobile releases, and I will make a dedicated comparison video with this mobile comparing to the Nord, actual Nord. So yeah, wait until the mobile releases. Subscribe to the channel.